Hello everyone. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is the reading for you, January 2021 monthly reading. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So Cancer, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. So Cancer, okay, first card, Two of Wands. Under the deck, Eight of Wands, communication is coming. I think in recent past, you are thinking about something a lot. There is a lot of thinking and anxiety is involved. For some, you are not literally able to sleep at night times because you are thinking about something a lot. See, you are in this energy in recent past. You are thinking about something a lot because Two of Wands is also about thinking, and this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Some distance is also involved. Knight of Pentacles, I think someone from past is want to commit to you, or for some definitely if you are in relationship with your person, they want to commit to you. Okay, if there is no separation, your person want to commit to you, and they want to take this relationship to marriage, what I'm seeing here. If you are in separation, definitely I think your person coming back with sincere offer and they're ready to offer equal give and take. What is right now going between you and your person, this time they're ready to offer equal give and take. I think in past there is no equal give and take. I think they may be in and out of your life, that creates more anxiety and insecurity in you, especially in you, Cancer. But now they're coming back to offer equal give and take. Gemini, the Lovers, your person involved could be Gemini. The Lovers is here. Definitely there is love between both of you. And Four of Swords, I think you are not talking to this person right now. You are undergoing some healing. You are taking your time. You are taking rest. Right now you are not talking to anyone. Yes, you are thinking about them a lot but not talking. But they are coming back with sincere offer. They want to, now they want to offer stability to this connection. You are undergoing some transformation, spiritual awakening. That's why you are not talking, because Four of Swords energy, near future. I think Seven of Cups. Maybe your person fantasizing about you a lot, or you may be fantasizing them about you a lot, or you are in some confusion. What to do, what not to do. There is a little bit confusion you have. And the World, they want reconciliation with you. And for some, this could be long distance relationship. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. If you are in separation, that I am getting, the separation cycles are going to be end. For some, there are some new cycles are going to be begin. So take what resonate and leave the rest. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, also Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Someone is ready to offer equal give and take and commitment. But you are in some confusion. That's why you are not talking to, because you are undergoing some transformation. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. So Cancer, your person current feelings. I think Four of Swords. I think you are in no contact for sure. High Priestess, I think this could be your person also. I think you both are not in talking terms. Your person have emotions. Definitely your person also undergoing some transformation. I think you both are on your spiritual journeys, what I'm seeing here. Even though you both have feelings, but you are undergoing some spiritual transformation. Four of Swords energy, your person also thinking about you a lot but not talking to you, because they undergoing some healing process. And the High Priestess, they are listening to their higher self. They are trusting their intuition, what I'm seeing here. But for sure, they have strong emotions for you, because Princess of Cups is here. So let's see the near future actions towards you. And under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. They want to offer long-term commitment. So Cancer, let's see the near future actions towards you. Three of Wands, Three of Cups, 2 times the Lovers card is here. Definitely they love you, there is no doubt, and they are waiting for the right time, because Three of Wands is waiting. And I think you maybe turn your back from your person because some trust issues, whatever happened between both of you. Definitely they want reconciliation with you, and they want this celebration with you, Three of Cups celebration. But they are waiting for the right time, because they are listening to their higher self. They're trusting their intuition this time. Yeah, they are also undergoing some spiritual awakening, some transformation. That's why I think in divine timing you both are going to be talk again, but it will take some time, because you both are not talking to each other right now, because Four of Swords energy you both are in. Yeah, you are thinking about each other a lot, but there will be some moment in divine timing, what I am seeing here, because they want reconciliation, but they are taking their time, but they have emotions for you. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini. Yeah, Eight of Cups under the deck. One person maybe walked away from this connection. If this is your person, now they are feeling regret. That's why they are not coming towards you. They are taking their time. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. I think transformation plays key role in this connection. Ten of Swords. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. Really your person want to... Eight of Wands. Communication. Yeah, really your person want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. Three of Pentacles energy. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. I think you maybe cut them off in past, because there is no equal give and take, and they may be in and out of your life, but they are rushing towards you. Definitely they want rebirth in this connection. They will make actions soon. Yeah, they will make effort soon, because Ten of Swords, definitely they want rebirth in this connection. They want to work on this relationship. Yeah, they are coming back, but it's up to you, because you are a very honest person in this connection. Queen of Swords, you stand by your power. I think they're scared that you will reject their offer, what I'm seeing here. That's why they're taking their time. They're coming back to work on this relationship, because Three of Pentacles and Ten of Swords, I think here Ten of Swords treated as rebirth. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Cancer, Strength, yeah, Temperance, Four of Wands, wow, and the Fool. Yeah, you are going with the flow. After the transformation, you started something new and you are going with the flow. Four of Wands, for some there will be reconciliation. You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Temperance, one person in this connection could be Sagittarius. I think balance is restoring in this connection. Yeah, you stand by your power and you overcome all the trauma, because in the starting of reading you are in some anxiety energy, but you overcome that finally and you become like this. You person involved in this connection could be Leo also. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Seven of Cups, Ace of Wands, Knight of Wands, Chariot. They want to take this relationship to next level. Cancer, it's your card. And Knight of Wands, there is a lot of passion involved. They are very, very passionate about you. And Ace of Wands, yeah, they want brand new beginnings. Seven of Cups, they are very, very passionate about you. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. So let's pull extra messages from Moon Oracle deck. Moon Oracle deck. For you, Cancer, what are the messages? Nothing is set in stone. A time for healing. See, already told you that you are undergoing some healing process. Yeah, it is a time for you healing. That's why you are not talking. You are not talking to your person, because nothing is set into stone. Definitely, you are some in disturbance. That's why. Yeah, it is time for healing. That is why you are undergoing transformation, and it's a big time for you healing. Okay, after healing, then you will bounce back. Then you are in full energy. You are taking your life, and in another way, you are seeing your life through color spectacles. What I am seeing here, then everything will be okay. If you are in suffering in silence, because Nine of Swords energy is very draining energy. See, under the deck, the end of your tough cycle approaches. So definitely there is some tough cycle is going to be end. Yeah. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.